Alright guys, so today's video is about how to connect M6 Smartband to phone. So I'll be showing you how you can connect this Xiaomi Band 6 clone to your smartphone using the Fitpro app. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. As you can see, there's nothing else in the box. So it comes with a manual, which you can see how you are going to fix the band, and this is another manual, user manual. So that is written in Chinese and English, and we have the charger and the band. Okay, so let's bring that out. Fixing it up is not hard. Make sure you charge it up before the first time use. So you can take your charger head like this and place it down here. As you can see, it's magnetic, and grab your power bank or your adapter and plug it in, and it's going to start charging. As you can see, this is how to charge it, and it will start charging up. It's as easy as that. Once you have charged it up and it is fully charged, the next thing is to connect the Smartband to your smartphone. So how do you do that? Let me fix this. Okay, and peel this off. All right, so this is the home. Now you go to your Google Play Store and download Fitpro app, which you can see here. You download Fitpro app and launch it. Once you open it, as you can see, we have our Fitpro app here. Make sure you switch on your Bluetooth, your data or Wi-Fi, and location. So once you have done that, then you can continue with the connection. Here at Fitpro page, you can see it's asking for our device location. Select while using this app. When you select that, you can now go to the set option here on the dashboard, and you are going to see bind device, experience more features. Select bind device, and it's going to scan for any Bluetooth device around you. As you can see, there are a lot of Bluetooth devices around me. They are all smartwatches. So this is my M6 Smartband here, 716. So you can go to this side to note. In case you want to know your smartwatch, you can just come here and press hold the home button. So it's going to take you to this portion, which you can see here, which is the details of the smartwatch. As you can see, it says 716, and that is 716 here. So when you select that, it's going to try and connect. So you have to wait for it. You can see it says connect, completed. All right, you can see it is now connected, and we can now come to this set option once again and select the find option. So it is ringing. That shows it is truly connected. Now if you want to change the time format here, as you can see, it is 24 hours. Just press hold the home button like this, and it's going to switch to 12 hours. It is that easy. And if you want to have WhatsApp notification right on your Smartband, you have to go to the message push option here. Select the message push option, and it's going to bring out the message push option page. As you can see, we have our call reminder turned off. Select call reminder on. As you can see, it says Fitpro device disconnected and connected. It's going to show device disconnected and connected. Tap on it once again, and it's going to bring up this allow Fitpro app to access your phone log. Select allow you to access your contacts. Select allow you to make and manage phone calls. Select allow, and you can see committing set successfully. Now it is toggle on. Select the SMS reminder, also toggle it on. Select allow, and you can see set successfully. If you want your WhatsApp, which is down here, select WhatsApp, allow. Now it's going to take you to the notification access page. Here you can see your Fitpro app, then select the option for the Fitpro app. Just tap on it this way and toggle on the option in front that says allow notification access. When you select that, you are going to see another notification access permission. Select allow, and you can see it is allowed. Now you can go back again, and you can now come back here and turn on the notification for WhatsApp. As you can see, it says committing now set successfully. Okay, if you want Instagram and Twitter, you can go ahead and do that for them too, and for Facebook, and that is all. If If you are okay with that, then you can now select back option once again, and let's test our smart bracelet if you are going to get WhatsApp message on it. I'm going to send a message to this MC Smartband. Now let me send, how are you? Subscribe please. Okay, so I'll send it to this Smartband. As you can see, it shows right here, how are you? And if you want to see the message, you can just select the home page on the Smartband and hold on the message option, and you can see your message here. It says, how are you? Subscribe please. So that is how to get your WhatsApp message if you are using it with your Smartband. If you want to change your M6 Smartband watch face, you can just do it this way. Now you go to the dial setting. When you select the dial setting option, it's going to load up like this. You can see the default and recommend. The next thing to do here is to select recommend. Okay, you are going to see all these watch faces here, so you can pick any one that you like. So if you pick one like this, you can just come here and select it, and select synchronized dial down here. You can pick any format that you like and select synchronized dial. But if you don't want this particular watch face, you want your own picture to be on this smart bracelet, all you have to do is to come to this change the dial, select change the dial. You can pick any of those dials and select change the dial, and allow Fitpro app to access your media and photos. Select allow, and it's going to open up your media, as you can see here. So I'm going to select the picture of this little boy. So once you are okay with it, you can use this slider to shrink in and out. Okay, once you are okay with it, come up here and select the tick option, and as you can see, it's looking good already. Now if you want it to be this way, fine, you can just select synchronous dial down here, and you select that, it will start uploading to your Smartband. Okay, it's going, so let's just wait for it. Alright, now we have our new watch face on our smart bracelet. This is our MC Smartband new watch face. As you can see, it looks cool, right? So this is how to do it. And if you have any question or issue or any difficulty, please let me know down there in the comment section. I remember babsomotden, and I'll see you on the next video showing right on your screen. Bye for now. Peace.